One of my clients called me today and asked me how to add a new editor or contributor to his blog. It's a WordPress blog, and so instead of getting him the answer, I figured I would create a quick little video. So as long as he's using WordPress, pretty much any version, current version of WordPress, you can see I'm using WordPress 3.9.1 right here. It's really pretty easy. From the dashboard, this is the dashboard, you go down to users. You can go to just look at what users are in there. Bring up the users. This blog here only has one user, and to add a new user, it's this easy. Click on Add New. If the user you're adding has a WordPress username, use that WordPress username. It'll make it way easier for the user you're going to add. But if they don't have a WordPress username, then just add any username that they want to use. I'll set one up for my wife, who sometimes does some work for me on my blog. Typed in her username. I'll type in her email address. First name is Rebecca. Last name is Burris. She doesn't have a website of her own. I'll type in her password, and I'll send her an email letting her know that I've set up her password. I will set her, here's what you have to be very careful of, is make sure you set her up as either an author, a contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Here's important information. Administrators shall have complete access to the entire WordPress control panel, dashboard. Editor shall be able to add content and edit content. Author, she will be able to add content. And contributor, she'll be able to add content at a lesser level. Generally, I would say make them an editor or an author. So I'll make her an author and then hit Add New User. She'll get an email saying that she's got it set up, and in her email will be her password, and then she'll be able to go to Add Post. From the dashboard, go to Users. You could go straight to Add New User. And when you're in the Add New User screen, the user has to have a username, an email address, their name, and then a password. And generally, their role would be either author or editor. Unless you want to give them full access, then you can make them administrator. I hope that helps.